Today I'm going to teach you how to disable mic for all attendees in Microsoft Teams. This is particularly useful when you're hosting large meetings or webinars and want to maintain control over who can speak, preventing background noise and interruptions. Let's assume that you are already inside a meeting. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the Controls section. Click on Controls to reveal additional options for managing your meeting. From the menu that appears, click on View More Options. This expands your control panel and gives you access to more advanced settings that help you manage how your meeting runs. After clicking on View More Options, the Meeting Options panel will appear on your screen. This is where all the powerful customization features live, allowing you to control various aspects of participant behavior during your session. It's an essential area to familiarize yourself with if you frequently host meetings. Now, on the left side of the Meeting Options panel, you'll see different categories listed. Click on Participation. This section specifically deals with what attendees can and cannot do during your meeting, giving you granular control over the interactive elements of your session. Once you're in the participation settings, look for the option that says Allow Mic for Attendees. This toggle controls whether participants can unmute themselves during the meeting. You'll notice a toggle button next to it. To disable the microphone access for all attendees, simply click the toggle button to turn it off. This prevents any attendee from unmuting themselves, ensuring that only you or other designated hosts can speak during the meeting. After you've disabled the microphone option, make sure to click Apply to save your changes. This step is crucial because without clicking Apply, your settings won't take effect and attendees will still be able to use their microphones. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the mic for all attendees in your Microsoft Teams meeting, giving you full control over the audio environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.